Now we are going to see subtraction with grouping. What do you mean by grouping? If we don't have enough numbers, we will borrow. So borrowing. So subtraction with borrowing. 6 take away 2 is 4. 8 take away 5 is 3. 2 can you take away? If you have 2 chocolates, can you take away 4 chocolates? No, you cannot take. So we will borrow. We will cut out this. We will write this as 4 and from this we will borrow 1. So this becomes 12 together. So 12 now can you less this? Yes. 12 less 4 is 8. The number on top should be bigger. The number on bottom should be small. If this is bigger, this is smaller, we will borrow one number from here. So now see, this number is big, this number is small. We don't have to borrow. 4 take away 3 is 1. Now again here 5 is a greater number, 2 is a smaller number, so we can subtract it. So 5 less 2 is 3. Now 4 becomes a small number here and 5 is a greater number. So now we will borrow. We will make this as 14 and this as 2. Now here 14 take away 5 is 9. Here again 2 is a smaller number here and 6 is a bigger number. So again we'll borrow 1 here and this we will make it as 6. Now how much is 12 minus 6? 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Again here 6. Now 6 here is a smaller number. 8 is a greater number. You cannot subtract it. So we will borrow from here. So how much is 16 minus 8? It is a 8. Now again here this is a small number. So again what we'll do? We will borrow and this will become 1. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Again here 1 is a small number, 6 is a greater number. We cannot subtract it. So this we will make it as 8 and this 1. 6 take away 11 is 5. 8. Now this is a big number. We can very well subtract it. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now again here this is a small number. So I am going to borrow one number here. So this becomes 13 and this becomes 5. 13 less 8 is 5. Now can you take away 5 from 6? No, this is a small number. This is a big number. So I am going to put 15 here. Make this as 4. Since 1 is being given, I am cutting this out and putting 4 here. Now 15 less 6 is 9. Now 4 again is a small number. You cannot subtract it. So it becomes a 14 and this becomes 7. 14 less 7 is 7. Now 7 less 3 is 4. Now the next sum, there were 8,260 tea packets in a van. Of these 6,984 tea packets were sold out. Find the remaining tea packets. Remaining, I give you a clue, it's a minus. Now how many tea packets are there in the van? 8,260. How many tea packets are sold out? 6,984. Now we have to subtract this from this. Now 0 is given on the top. So we will borrow. 0 on top has a value. 0 on bottom doesn't have a value. So 0 on top has a value. So we will cut this out. Make this as a whole number 10. And this will be cut out and this will be made 5. Now 10 take away 4 is 6. Again here 5 is a small number than 8. So to make it a bigger number, we will borrow from here. We will make this 15. So 15 less 8 will be 7. Now here 1 again is a small number and 9 is a big number. So we will cut out this, write this as 7 and borrow 1 here. This will become 11. 11 take away 9 will be 2. Now 7 take away 6 will be 1. So remaining tea packets will be 1276. The sum of two numbers is 3527. If one number is 2685, find the other number. If they ask you, always if they ask you sum of two numbers and they ask you for the other number, it is a minus. Keep in mind, if they give sum of two numbers and they ask you the other number, then it should be a minus. The sum of two numbers is how much? 3527. One number is already given to you. The given number is 2685. Now we have to find the other number. So 7 take away 5 is 2. Here 12 is a small number. So we will borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So this becomes 12 and this becomes 4. So 12 take away 8 is 4. So again, this is a small number. This is a big number. You cannot take away this from this. So we will borrow. This becomes 2 and this becomes 14. 6, 14. So 14 less 6 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is the other number? The other number is 842. I am leaving out the 0 because 0 in front has no value.